We'll guide you through how to create a Trello board for project management. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Trello's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on the plus icon next to the boards heading on the left side of the screen. This will open a menu where you can select Create New Board. You'll be prompted to name your board, so choose a name that clearly represents your project. You can also select a background color or image to make your board visually appealing. After setting up your board's basic details, click Create Board. Now that your board is created, it's time to set up some lists. Lists in Trello are columns that help you organize tasks. Click on Add a List and name your first list. Common list names might include To Do, In Progress, and Completed, but you can customize these to fit your project needs. Once you have your lists, you can add cards, which represent individual tasks or items. Click on Add a Card under any list to create a new card. Enter a task name and click Add Card. You can click on each card to add more details like descriptions, due dates, and checklists. You can also assign members to each card by clicking on Members and selecting the team members involved in that task. Don't forget to use labels to categorize your cards by priority, status, or any other criteria that makes sense for your project. You can find the Labels option within each card. Finally, if you need to move cards between lists, simply drag and drop them to reflect the progress of your tasks. This makes it easy to visualize the workflow and see what needs attention. That's it. You've successfully created a Trello board for managing your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.